am a visionary, revitalizing the past to inspire the future, breaking the constraints of perception, to power dynamic forms of expression. I am realizing artistic visions, inventing unique variations, and reimagining legendary works as timeless as their creator. I am constantly evolving, bringing characters to life.
I, who am master of the universe,
Finding freedom in exploration and poetry in movement. I am always pushing the limits, accelerating excellence, and envisioning a better future for everyone. I am AI, brought to life by NVIDIA and brilliant creators everywhere.